Whoa! We did it. 9 lessons, countless features, and hopefully 0 existential crises along the way. Hey, my name is Arthur, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. You officially made it to the end of our Slider Revolution course. And you know what that means? You're no longer a slider newbie. You've conquered the basics, built your first slider from scratch, mastered the art of animation, and even tackled the beast that is responsive design. Heck, you're probably fluent in parallax scrolling and layer actions now. But between you and me, the real fun starts now. With the knowledge you've gained, you're ready to unleash your creativity and build some truly mind-blowing sliders. Remember those static, boring websites of the past? Yeah, those days are gone. It's all about captivating visuals, smooth transitions, and user interaction from here on out. But before you go off and revolutionize the web with your slider mastery, a few last nuggets of wisdom. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment, tinker, and explore all those buttons and settings. That's how you discover those hidden gems and create something truly unique. Stay inspired. The world is your design playground. Draw inspiration from other websites, art, nature, even your morning coffee. Join the Slider Revolution community. Share your creations, learn from others, and keep those creative juices flowing. We've loved being your guide on this slider journey. Let us know if there is any tutorial you would like us to create for Slider Revolution or any other plugin that you want us to cover. Now go forth and create some awesome stuff.